Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maria Yasin and I welcome you all to my science lecture. Today my chapter name is The Life Cycle of Plant and my subtopic is The Germination of Seed. Before going further, here is a seed thinking that how can I germinate into a seedling? So what should this seed have to do? So in order to give the answer of this question, we must have to know about the seed first. Seed. A seed is a part of plant which can grow into a new plant. Through seed, a plant can reproduce. A typical seed is divided into three basic parts. These three basic parts are seed coat, embryo, and seed leaves. Take a look at this picture. The outer dark brown covering is seed coat. The inner yellow part is seed food storage. It stores nutrient. And also this whole part along with this seed coat is considered as seed leaf. The lower green color part is called embryo, which will grow into a seedling by consuming all the nutrients present in the food storage part. So let's take a look into these parts one by one. Seed coat. The seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. It helps to protect the embryo from injury and drying out. So we can say that along with this embryo safety, it also helps the seed leaves to store its nutrients. Seed leaves. The seed leaves contain the store of nutrients for the new plant that will grow from embryo. Seed embryo. The embryo is an immature plant which is not even mature, or we can't say that this is an adult plant. This is an immature plant that have to grow into a new plant under the right conditions. You can see this V-shaped part. This is called as an embryo. There is new term which is called germination. In simple words, under the right conditions, the seed will grow into a young plant called seedling, as you can see in this picture. This beautiful picture is a picture of a seedling. The whole process is called germination. So what are the conditions for seed germination? There are three conditions required for a seed to germinate: presence of air, presence of water, and presence of warmth. Must remember that sunlight is not important for the seed germination. Look at this picture. When the seeds combine with the warmth, oxygen from air and water, they will grow into a young plant. Now there is one question. What happens if one of these three conditions is missing? Is the germination process still continue? What do you think? So the answer is no. If any one of the condition is missing, the seed will never germinate into a seedling. Steps for seed germination. There are 5 steps for seed germination. We can look into it one by one. In the first step, this is a bean seed in a soil with water, air and warmth. A seed can start germination. In the second step, tiny small roots starts to appear from the seed. In the third step, the shoot appears. The seed leaves providing the seedling with the food which is stored in the seed leaves. In the fourth step, a tiny green leaf starts to appear. In the fifth step, which is also the last step, the green leaves start making their own food by using sunlight and by the process of photosynthesis. And the seed coat falls off as the seed leaves have been exhausted. Then this seedling grows into a young plant which grows and changes into an adult plant. Now assess yourself. Try to label this diagram and check your understanding. I hope you can label it very well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned a lot.